Hello everyone, and welcome back to this NASSCO MIS training series. In today's video, we'll be looking at the form builder and how we can use tables and fields in our database to quickly create forms all from within the system. Okay, so first off, I'm signed into the system already. This is my landing page. I am going to navigate to NASSCO at the top, and I'm going to come down here to survey. Okay, and underneath survey, we have a tab here called new form. Okay, so I'm going to click on new form. Okay, I have a search box here on my left and a form canvas on my right. Okay, and the first thing we want to do here is select a data source. Okay, so the questions that we're going to use to create our form, what table in our database do we want to pull those questions from? Okay, so say for example, I want to pull questions from my community table. So I'm just going to type COM in my search box and I'll select the community table just here. Okay, and all the fields in my community form will be displayed to me just beneath that. You can see these are fields in my community table. Okay, and if we wanted to add any of these fields to our form, all we need to do is click on them and drag them to our form canvas. Okay, so now country is in our form. Okay, I can also do that for state, local government. Now we can use a few questions here. Okay, use a few questions here. Okay, and we don't need to do this for just one table. You can do it to as many tables as you want to get what you want. So let's say we wanted to use our household table. I'm just going to type house, okay, and I'm going to select my household table. And here you can see these are fields that are in our household table. So I can also select fields from that table and add it to my form. Okay, so you're not limited to using one table per form. Okay, and let's add a few more questions here. Let's see, NSR number. Okay, and one more thing you can do here is if you wanted to make some of these fields required, let's say you wanted country to be required, for example, you can quickly just come here on the arrow and you can set it's already required. But if you didn't want it to be required, you can just come here and set that to no or yes, depending on what you want to do, and save the changes. So now country won't be required when a user is filling out this form. Okay, if you also wanted to get rid of one of these fields, you just click on the X here. So you got rid of state. You wanted to remove specify the cooking source, we could also just click on the X, and that's how we get rid of fields we've already added to our form. Okay, and all we need to do is add a name, give our form a name. So I'm going to call this draft form, and I'm going to save changes. And the moment I save, I have a preview of what my form would look like to the user if it's filling it out on the mobile application. So this is what my form would look like. It's the final version of what the form would look like to the user. Okay, so there's our state, our local government, okay, date of interview, and the rest of our questions. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.